Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Whirlpool GC2000 is probably one of the most sought-after garbage disposals on the market, and for good reason. It's designed to handle everyday kitchen waste efficiently, making your cleanup process smoother and more hygienic. If you're tired of dealing with food scraps and the hassle they bring, this appliance might just be the solution you've been looking for to streamline your kitchen routine and maintain a cleaner, more pleasant cooking environment. Number 5. Waste King L3200 Garbage Disposal. Experience efficient food waste disposal with its high-speed motor. It operates at 2,700 revolutions per minute and is designed to reduce jamming. Save time with the easy mount system for quick installation in your kitchen sink. Cleaning is also simple thanks to the removable splash guard. This compact and lightweight unit is engineered to maximize your under-sink space. Its low-profile design fits easily in most cabinets. Forget about complicated electrical setups. It comes with a pre-installed power cord, making it ready to plug in and use right away. Enjoy long-term reliability with its corrosion-resistant, all stainless steel grind components. This ensures it can handle tough jobs for years to come. Count on dependable performance with this garbage disposal. It's backed by an 8-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This disposal boasts a high-speed motor for less jams and corrosion-resistant stainless steel components for durability. It also features an easy mount system for quick installation. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-install unit that can handle frequent use, this is a great choice. What people say. Works great, fairly easy install, 1 hour or less, much quieter than my InSinkErator Badger, much more powerful than the Badger, 1 HP instead of 1 3 HP, replace 3, bolt with easy mount without any need for an adapter kit. This disposal is amazingly quieter than my old ISE, which is good since I just replaced a noisy 10-plus-year-old dishwasher last year. It seems to have no issues grinding up old food or jamming, which my ISE seemed to do frequently. The power is amazing. It shreds everything. The only thing I haven't tried is banana peels, which my old disposal had problems with. Number 4. Waste King L1001 Garbage Disposal. Experience efficient waste disposal with its high-speed motor. It operates at 2,600 revolutions per minute, significantly reducing the chances of jams. Installation is a breeze thanks to the easy mount system. Cleaning is also simple with its removable splash guard. Forget about complicated wiring. It comes with a pre-installed power cord, making it ready to use right out of the box. This unit is built to last with all stainless steel grinding components. Its compact and lightweight design saves valuable space under your sink. Enjoy uninterrupted grinding of food waste with its continuous feed operation. Simply use your wall switch for quick and easy disposal. Rest assured with peace of mind. It is backed by a comprehensive 5-year limited in-home warranty for your protection. What we like. This model offers a continuous feed operation with a 1 2 HP motor, making it efficient for everyday use. Its compact and lightweight design saves space, and it comes with a pre-installed power cord for simple plug-in. If you need a straightforward, space-saving disposal for regular kitchen tasks without breaking the bank, this one is ideal. What people say. Works great, fairly easy install, 1 hour or less, much quieter than my InSinkErator Badger, much more powerful than the Badger, 1 HP instead of 1 3 HP, replace 3, bolt with easy mount without any need for an adapter kit. This disposal is amazingly quieter than my old ISE, which is good since I just replaced a noisy 10-plus-year-old dishwasher last year. It seems to have no issues grinding up old food or jamming, which my ISE seemed to do frequently. The power is amazing. It shreds everything. The only thing I haven't tried is banana peels, which my old disposal had problems with. Number 3. Matchbox 15 inches Toy Recycling Truck. Get ready for big adventures with this large-scale recycling truck. It's designed for hours of realistic and purposeful play. This 15-inch vehicle is hand-activated for loading, dumping, and rolling. The lever easily raises the bin to dump its contents. Push it forward or pull it back, and press the lever to hear realistic sounds. Press the horn above the cab to let everyone know you're on the move. It inspires kids to be everyday heroes with real-world vehicle replicas. These are equipped to get the job done. Kids can unload recycling or trash with this truck. It provides endless opportunities for imaginative and engaging play. What we like. This is a large-scale toy recycling truck with realistic lights and sounds, and hand-activated loading and dumping features. It's designed for interactive play, allowing kids to engage in imaginative scenarios. If you're looking for a toy that encourages role-playing and provides hours of entertainment for children, this truck is a fantastic option. What people say. This thing has held up so well and is so well loved. He's had it for 7 months now. He's played with it every day. The arm is sturdy and flexible enough that it's held up to some rough handling and still works great. The trash can that comes with it has also held up great, and he's destroyed dozens of other toy trash cans in the time he's had this truck. It has 2 volume settings and a quieter one is delightfully tolerable. The sounds are so realistic and a child can fill the trash can with small toys to dump. The rear doors do open so that you can dump all the trash. Number 2. Moen Host Series GXS75C Garbage Disposal. Introducing the Moen Host Series, designed for those who love to cook for guests. It offers advanced cleanup power for your kitchen needs. Installation is a breeze with its compact and lightweight design. It fits most existing assemblies, even from other brands, and includes a pre-installed power cord. Experience powerful grinding with its 2,700 revolutions per minute, 3/4 horsepower motor. It quickly tackles tough food scraps and helps prevent jamming. Enjoy a quieter kitchen thanks to Sound Shield technology. This sound-deadening insulation minimizes operational noise. This disposal is safe for use with properly sized septic systems. It's also an eco-friendly choice, helping to reduce waste sent to landfills. What we like. This disposal is designed with Sound Shield insulation for quiet operation and a powerful 3.4 HP Vortex motor for efficient grinding of tough food scraps. It's also septic safe, making it a versatile option for various home setups. If you prioritize a quieter kitchen environment and need robust grinding power, especially if you have a septic system, this unit is highly recommended. What people say. The instructions were very easy to follow, much easier than other brands. It does not come with the electrical clamp, but, if you know what you are doing, you can take the old clamp off the outgoing garbage disposal with the nut it screws into, and it does fit on the Moen. I like how the rubber stoppers work and how you can open it up to get something that has fallen down into it from the top. Number 1. Dryer Heating Element Kit for Whirlpool and Kenmore. Introducing our premium dryer heating element kit, designed for optimal performance. The core heating element features a durable nickel-chromium alloy coil to efficiently generate heat for your electric dryer. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: a powerful heating coil, a cycling thermostat for temperature regulation, a high-limit thermostat, and a thermal cutoff switch for safety. It ensures your dryer operates within a safe temperature range and prevents overheating. Inside the package, you'll find one 279,838 heating element, one 338-7134 cycling thermostat, one 397-7767 high-limit thermostat, one 397-7393 thermal cutoff switch, and one 339-2519 thermal fuse. All parts are designed for direct replacement. This kit is compatible with a wide range of part numbers, including 279837, 279838, 340, 3585 for the heating element, and 338-7134, 397-7767, 397-7393, 339-2519 for the thermostats and fuses. It's designed for easy integration. Our dryer heating element kit is engineered to fit most top brands, including Whirlpool, Kenmore, Maytag, and many others. Ensure a perfect fit and reliable performance for your clothes dryer. What we like. This is a comprehensive heating element kit designed for a wide range of Whirlpool and Kenmore dryers, including essential safety components like thermostats and fuses. It ensures your dryer heats up efficiently and safely. If your dryer isn't heating properly and you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one replacement solution that fits multiple brands, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy install. Works perfect. Perfect fit for estate Whirlpool dryer purchased around 2008. Easy to install, especially for a woman to do on her own. Replaced back, turned on dryer and it is getting hot again. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.